going on, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Thank you guys so much for clicking on this video and checking it out. So today I'm going to be sharing with you some staple items that I like to keep in my fridge for my family of 5. My kids are typically really picky eaters, so these are the staple items that we like to keep in our home for them and for ourselves. If you're interested in this type of video, please go ahead and keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed already, and let's just get right into the video. Okay, so right here, these are all of the pretty much the staple items that we like to keep in our fridge and our pantry for a family of 5. We went grocery shopping yesterday. Yeah, we went grocery shopping yesterday, and so we kind of just restocked up on all of the stuff, like our essentials. So over here, I'll just start right here. Pancake mix. Let me tell you that my boys love pancakes, they love waffles, and so we just get this from Costco. The syrup that we love to use is this syrup by Log Cabin. At Costco it comes in this like a pear, so that's really that comes in handy because they love syrup. So we get this Log Cabin syrup, and I love it because it has no high fructose corn syrup, so that's excellent. We get organic almond milk. We don't do regular cow's milk, so we do almond milk, and at Costco they come three in a pack, which is really good because I use almond milk all the time. They use it, the boys use it in their oatmeal, my husband uses it in his cereal, so we just use it up like crazy. The bread that is a staple in our house is this artisanal bread by Sara Lee, this golden wheat. It's really good, super soft. My boys love it for sandwiches, for toast. We get these granola bars from Kirkland, from Costco, and I just took them out of the big box. I organized my pantry where I have all the snacks in one, and these are the granola bars, and they love, they'll eat like 3 and 4 at a time if I let them, but they love these granola bars. Another huge staple is strawberry jelly. My kids love jelly on their toast, peanut butter and jelly sandwiches. They just love jelly. So this is not at Costco. We got this from Vons here in Vegas. But I like this also because it has no high fructose, because it also has no high fructose corn syrup as well. My kind of pancake mix that I like to keep in my house for me, if I want pancakes, is this paleo pancake mix. This is non-GMO, gluten-free, grain-free, has almonds, coconut, cassava, eggs, and monk fruit. And these honestly fill you up so much, so you only need to eat like 1 or 2 because they're so thick. A staple for me is organic quinoa. I love rice, but I also love quinoa, so I try to switch out rice for quinoa. Sometimes I do have rice though. So another huge staple in our home are bananas. My kids love bananas. Yesterday at Costco, they didn't have great bananas. I usually like to get my bananas green, but they didn't have any, but I still wanted to get them because I like to put them in smoothies. I like to also freeze them as well. So this butter is a staple in my house. I love butter, and my husband, he's not really big on butter, but I love butter. But this is Earth Balance, and it's actually vegan butter, and it tastes so good. It tastes better than some of the like dairy butters out there, but this butter is so good. It only comes in like this little thing that we get from Vons, but this butter is so good. So if you have not tried like this Earth Balance organic butter, I would highly suggest and highly recommend that you try it because it's so good. I think this is the biggest staple in my house, but it's strawberries. My kids will tear up strawberries. Strawberries don't last long, but they're a huge staple in our home because my boys love them. I also buy the frozen strawberries for myself because I like to have them in smoothies and things like that, but I'll buy the fresh ones for them and then the frozen for myself. Another big staple are eggs. These are organic eggs from Kirkland. My kids love eggs. I love eggs, and so we buy this thing. Sometimes we buy 2 depending on how many eggs we're eating, but yesterday at Costco we just bought the 1. And another big staple lately is I love grapefruit. My oldest Brayden loves grapefruit as well, so we'll just sit at the table and just eat 1 or 2 grapefruit together, and he loves it. So that's a huge staple. Another good huge staple are these mandarin oranges. My oldest Brayden will go through a phase where he'll eat like nothing but oranges. He'll eat 5 oranges at a time, but sometimes he'll get like tired of them. But Kai, my 2-year-old, loves these oranges. He'll eat 2 and 3 at a time. So that's a big staple. You love oranges, huh? Yeah, you love oranges, huh? Another thing that I love to have in the house are these cherry tomatoes. I love to put them in salads with my eggs, with spinach. I love to eat them in wraps. I love to eat them sometimes by themselves. They're just really good to have. They're pretty versatile. Another thing is this container of organic baby spinach. I love putting spinach in stir fries with my eggs, with in my wraps that I have just as a side dish for like chicken, or in my quinoa. Spinach is pretty versatile, so this is a definite staple for me. Another thing that we buy from Costco that's a staple is this ground turkey. We don't really do ground beef. We do sometimes, but not really. We'll do little ground turkey sliders instead of beef. We'll do spaghetti. So the last thing that we get from Costco, and that's a staple for us, are these chicken breasts. I love these because these are wrapped chicken breasts actually. So they come in, can you see that? They come in like individual packets already, which is really good. And so we get this big bag. What is this? We get this 6.5 pound bag of chicken breast, and this will last us a couple weeks actually, because we don't eat chicken every day. So this will last us a few weeks. The last item that I love to keep are these organic green beans. I love to keep these frozen green beans in my freezer. This really big bag will last a long time. This is a 5-pound bag of green beans. These are from Mass River Farms. They're organic green beans. I like to cook them with a little bit of salt, pepper, and some salt, pepper, garlic, and sometimes a little bit of low sodium soy sauce. Okay guys, that is it for this healthy food staples video for my family of 5. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please go ahead and give the video a thumbs up. Also, if you're not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe. I would love to have you here. And other than that, thank you guys again. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Bye.